Hello and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today I have another unboxing from Erin McDermott. I loved the necklace that I ordered so much that I got an email for a special deal that if you spent more than, I think it was $25, you would get a free necklace worth $140. So I took advantage of that. When I first discovered the company, it was because I had seen this very colorful necklace in an ad on social media, and I didn't end up getting that one, but I did love it. I ended up getting a different one. So I went back to the website when I got that special offer. I got the original necklace that I had seen because it was on sale. I think it was maybe like $30. And then I got a mystery $140 necklace. So I'm going to open it. I'm going to show you the necklace I ordered, and we will see together what the mystery necklace is. Okay. I am so excited because this necklace that I ordered is just so pretty, so many different colors, and I'm also excited to see what the mystery necklace is. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it looks like packed together. Okay, so I think that this is the one that I ordered. So let me, yes, okay. So this is the necklace that I ordered. It's all different colors, and the one that I ordered and unboxed the other day is all different colors, but the colors are kind of mixed together. But this one has like little stations of, rose and pink and yellow, blue. So I just think this is really, really pretty, and it'll go with so many outfits because of all the colors. So I'm very excited about that. And now let's see what the mystery necklace is. Ooh, that is very pretty. It's all different colored beads, but smaller. And you know what? This actually might be fun for layering. I'm gonna have to try that. But oh, this is so, so pretty. So that was a really good deal. Just like last time, I will link in the description box. I will link the link to this necklace, and if I can find this one, I will link that as well. And let me see, just to give you an idea, this necklace is called the Italian Nights Resin Necklace. And again, these necklaces, this is costume jewelry or fashion jewelry. It's very lightweight. Actually, these I think may be real stones because they're cold to the touch, and that usually means that they're actual, natural gemstones. So that is just so nice. So that's it. I am now officially an Erin McDermott jewelry fan. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.